Hello students, hello everyone, welcome to the online lecture video. So in the previous lecture video, we studied the difference of the Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration. So today we are taking some examples on the topic. So in your book, page number 11. So open page number 11 in your books. So we will take some questions. The first question, I will written this question here. The first question on the page number 11 is the read the numbers, write them using placement boxes and then write their expanded form. Read this question properly. Read the number, return them using placement boxes and then write their expanded form. So हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है? Firstly we have to write the given numbers. Here are the four numbers is given. Here is the four numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number is the given. So we have to write this using placement boxes. We have to write this number using the placement boxes. Also write their expanded form. उसका expanded form भी हमें वहाँ पे write करना है. Is very simple question. So let's take the first number. First number is 4, 7, 5, 3, 2, 0 is the first number. So firstly we have to write this number in the placement boxes and then write the expanded form. उसके बाद हमें expanded form write करना है. So what is meant by the placement boxes? How to arrange the number in the placement boxes? Simple placement boxes. That means we have to arrange the numbers in the form of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In this form we have to write the numbers. This is the placement boxes. Firstly we have to write here the place's name. Okay. What is the first place from the right side? Is the ones. Okay. Then tens, 100, then 1000, then 10,000. Correct. Then lakh, then 10 lakh. Next is the crore, and last one is the 10 crore. These are the placements. These are the placements. Simply यहाँ पे मैं boxes बना लेता हूँ. Very simple is this. Okay, this is the first place is the ones place, second is the tens, next 100, next 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, these are the placement boxes. These are the placement boxes. We have to write this number in the placement boxes. So let's take the digit from the right side. Okay, here 0. Here is the digit is the 0. What is the place of 0? Very simple. The place of 0 is the ones. So write 0 on the place of ones. So write 0 here. Next digit is the 2. What is the place of 2? Is the tens place. So write 2 on the tens place. Write 2 here. Next digit 3. The place of 3 is the 100. So write 3 here in 100 place. Next is the 5. What is the place of 5? The place is the 1000 place. So write the 5 on the 1000 place. So here we write the 5. Next is the 7. What is the place of 7? Is the 10,000. So write the 7 on the 10,000 place. And last digit is the 4. What is the last digit? This is the 6-digit number. The last number or last digit is the 4. So the place of 4 is the lakh. What? Lakh. So write the 4 on the lakh place. So it's very simple. This is the placement boxes. We write this number in the placement boxes form. Okay. So हमें बाकी के चार भी इस तरह के ही placement boxes में हमें write करने हैं. But अब ध्यान दो, हमारा और एक क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे. And then write their expanded form. And then write their expanded form. हमें उसका expanded form write करना है. So ये कौन सा नंबर बन चुका है अभी? Tell me, in the word, what is the number? Is the lakh. This number, so last digit is present in the lakh place. ओके द 4 लाख, सो 4 लाख, तो ये हमारे आपको मालूम है, हमें मालूम है कि ग्रुप्स कैसे कैसे लास्ट 3 डिजिट का एक ग्रुप होता है, नेक्स्ट 2 डिजिट का ग्रुप होता है. सो द 4 ये हमारे नेक्स्ट ग्रुप में आया है. सो लाख ग्रुप, which group? Lakh group. So the number is 4,75,320. Okay, what is the number? 4,75,320 is the number. I will write this number here in the word. What is the number? In word. In word में कैसे बोलेंगे हम? In word. 4 lakh 75,000. Okay, 320. Okay, I will write this number in the word. 4,75,320. So we have to write the expanded form of this number. What is the expanded form? So we have to write this number in the expanded form. So the expanded form is equal to expanded form. Okay, we have to write the expanded form from the left side. Left side से हमें expanded form write करते हैं हम. So the first digit is the 4. What is the first digit? 4. What is the place of 4? Is the lakh place. So 4 multiplied by 1 lakh. इसका प्लेस कौन सा है? 4 का lakh है. तो हमें मालूम है 1 के ऊपर 5 0, that means the lakh. So 4 into 1 lakh. ये फर्स्ट डिजिट का एक्सपेंशन हुआ. नेक्स्ट डिजिट इज 7. व्हाट इज? बीच में प्लस राइट करना है. वी हैव टू राइट प्लस in between the 2 digit expansion form. So next is the 7. 7 multiplied by, what is the place of 7? Is the 1000 place. Sorry, 10,000 place. The place of 7 is the 10,000 place. So 7 into 10,000. 7 into 10,000. Okay. Next is the 5. Simply, what is the place of 5? Is the 1000. That means we have to write 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000. Next digit is the 3. So what is the place of 3? Is the 100. Then 3 into 100. Next digit is the 2. What is the place of 2? 10. So write 2 into 10. And last place is the 0. So 0 multiplied by 1. And 0 multiplied by 1 0 ही होता है, इसलिए यहाँ पे 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 राइट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक्चुअली यहाँ तक ही राइट कर सकते हैं आप. 2 into 0. 0 को कोई एक्सपेंशन नहीं लिखा तो भी चलता है. ओके, सो दिस वे वी हैव टू राइट द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द नंबर. ऑल्सो राइट द नंबर इन द प्लेसमेंट बॉक्सेस फॉर्म. सो यहाँ पे मैंने जो पहला नंबर दिया है वो एक्सपेंशन फॉर्म में वहां पे राइट किया है. सो अब मैं आपको और एक नंबर वहां पे एक्सपेंशन फॉर्म में राइट करके दिखाता हूँ. फर्स्ट हमने क्या पे सॉल्व किया, सेकंड यहाँ पे मैं सॉल्व करूंगा. एंड दिस 2 नंबर्स इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. तो आगे के जो नंबर होंगे दो वो आपको होमवर्क में सॉल्व करने इसी तरह से, इन दिस वे. ओके, एक और नंबर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट नंबर what is the next number? Second number. Let's take the second number. Okay, 9847,215. Okay, this is the second number. So we have to write this number in the placement boxes. Also we have to write the expanded form of this number. So firstly we have to write this number in the placement boxes. That means in the form of 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. इस फॉर्म में हमें राइट करना है. सिंपली हमें राइट से स्टार्ट करना है. जब प्लेसमेंट बॉक्सेस फॉर्म हम लिखते हैं तो. सो 5 ईयर वंस, देखो वंस प्लेस है 5 की, तो हमने उसको वंस प्लेस में राइट किया. देन व्हाट इज द प्लेस ऑफ 1? इज द टेंस. देन 2, देन 7, देन 4, then 8, then 9. Okay, this is the 7-digit number. How many digit number? 7-digit number. So we have to write this number in the word. What is the number? This, which is the group? This is the lakh group. This is the 1000 group and this is the 1 tens 100 group. So lakh group, that means 98 lakh. So we have to write this 90 lakh 47,000 215. So we have to write this number in the word. So what is the number? 98 lakh 47,215 is the number. We will write this number in the words. So we have to write the expanded form of this number. So what is the expanded form? Let's take the digit from the left side. Left side is the digit low 9. What is the place? 10 lakh. 9 into 10 lakh. Okay, 9 into 10 lakh. The first digit expansion is this. Next digit is the 8. So next digit is the 8. So what is the expansion form of the 8? Is the place. What is the place of 8? Is the lakh place. So write 8 into 1 lakh. 8 into 1 lakh. Okay. Next digit is the 4. What is the place of 4? Is the 10,000 place. So write this number into 4 into 10,000. Next, 7. 7. The place of 7 is the 1,000. Simple. 7 into 1,000. Next digit is the 2. The place of 2 is the 100. So 2 into 100. And last is 1. What is the place of 1? Is the tens. So 1 into 10. And last is the 5. 5 into 1. Okay. This is the expansion or expanded form of this number. Which number is this? 98,47,215 is the number. So we solve here two examples, first and second. So for your homework, third number and fourth number example, solve this example in your home, in your notebook. So write these numbers in the placement form, also write their expansion, also write this number in the word form. ओके तो आपको ये बाकी के दो एग्जांपल यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस टू एग्जांपल्स. आपको एक दोनों एग्जांपल समझ में आए होंगे. So the next question on the page number 11 is a number question. Which is the smallest number and which is the greatest number in these four numbers? Which is the smallest number and which is the greatest number? ये फाइंड करना है. तो यहाँ पे how to find out the which one is the greatest and which one is the smallest? So simple is this. Firstly we have to find out the how many digit is present in this number. तो उस नंबर में कितने डिजिट है हमें मालूम है. जिसमें स्मॉल कम से कम डिजिट होंगे is the smallest number, जिसमें ज्यादा होंगे is the greatest number. So firstly we have to find the smallest number in these four number. So first number is the 6-digit number. कितने डिजिट का है? 6. Next is the 7-digit number and next is the 8-digit number. 8-digit number is this. So the first number consists minimum digit. That means the first number is the smallest number. So our answer is the what? 4,75,320 is the smallest number. And next question is the what is the greatest number? The greatest number is, so here are the two numbers is the 8-digit numbers. In these two numbers we have to find out the greatest number. In दोनों में हमें greatest ढूंढना है. How to find? Simple. We have to compare the numbers from the left side digit. So here is the 9 and here is the 3. Which one is the greatest? So since it's very simple, 9 is the greatest. That means this number is the greatest. 9 ग्रेटेस्ट यहाँ पे, तो इसका मतलब 9 ये नंबर हमारा सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर इन 4 नंबर से. सो राइट आंसर इज, व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर? Okay, this simple number is this 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310 is the greatest number. In your book आगे एक सी नंबर क्वेश्चन दिया है, तो क्वेश्चन ये है अरेंज दिस नंबर इन असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. अरेंज दिस नंबर इन द असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. वी नो द असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सिंपल है कि असेंडिंग में स्मॉल टू बिग राइट करना है एंड डिसेंडिंग में बिग टू स्मॉल राइट करना है. सो दिस टू क्वेश्चंस इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. तो ये आपको होमवर्क में सॉल्व करने हैं. So today we are taking the expanded form of this number. Also we written this number in the placement boxes. So complete your homework in your notebook. Okay. So today we are stop here. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much.